Welcome to my channel. Learn to speak French with me. Apprends à parler français avec moi. In today's video, we're going to look at some of the words which are similar in French and in English, which have the same meaning and which also have the same spelling, and just the pronunciations are different, the way they pronounce are different, and that's going to help us learn the French pronunciation. So the first word is table, and in the parentheses I have an F, which means that the word is feminine in French. So table is pronounced in French as table, table, and it has the same meaning. So the word for excellent in French has two forms because it has a feminine form and then it has a masculine form. And so usually when it's a feminine, you can see that the T is not grayed out, which means it's pronounced as excellent. A little bit you feel the T, the sound of T at the end, which is T, excellent. But when it comes to when you say a man is excellent, and then you have to say it's like excellent. And when you refer to a masculine terms, then you just say excellent. Well, when it's a feminine, you say excellent. If you want to say she's excellent, then you would say elle est excellente. But if it's a man, then you would say il est excellent. The next word is type, which is type, and it's a masculine word. Type. The next word in French is question, and question is always a feminine word, and you can see that some words have a masculine and a feminine form, which means that it's a verb that can be used in the masculine form and also in the feminine form, and then you have two ways like excellent, but then there are words that are question is always feminine. So how do they say that in French? Question. It's question. So whenever you have the combination of letters I-O-N, it's ion. The sound is ion. So it's question. The next word is also a feminine word, which is discussion in English, and in French it's pronounced as discussion. Discussion. And the next word is presentation, which has a small accent on the letter E. So it's pronounced as présentation. So again, we have ION, which is ion. Présentation. Phrase in English is a feminine word in French. Phrase. Phrase. The next word is concentration. I'm going to teach you how to, sort of split the word and then pronounce it. So concentration. Okay, so we know the last bit, which is like ion. ION is always ion. And the first bit is con, is con. Con, son, tra, sion. Concentration. 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 The next word is impression, which is pronounced as impression. Impression. If you like my videos, do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hope to see you soon in my next video. À demain. See you tomorrow.